flour and 2 tablespoons sugar. 1/8 cup of melted butter, half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 egg, 1 cup of milk. Cooking spray to grease the pan and whipped cream. Bowl and a whisker and some sprinklers. Forget your apron and your tablecloth. Now let's start making our pancakes. Pancake batter, combine all the dry ingredients: flour, sugar, salt and baking powder. Give it a nice whisk. Larger bowl, combine milk, melted butter and egg and whisk it together. Combine the dry ingredients and whisk it nicely. 2-3 drops of red color. And give it a nice mix. The pancake batter is ready. Now we will grease the pan. I am using a Smiley pan. Now we have to pour the batter on the pan. Stop bubbling, we have to flip them up, but I need my mom's help. You can decorate your pancakes with whipped cream, maple syrup, strawberries, sprinkles, however you want. And my smiley homemade pancakes are perfectly ready.